If you're shopping for the Coverado car seat cover expecting a sleek upgrade to your car's interior, you're in the right place. But here's what surprised me. Even with all its promises of luxury and protection, this cover isn't the no-brainer buy you might think. Most reviews gloss over major flaws, but today, I'm breaking down everything the ads won't tell you, and why this cover might actually cause you more headaches than comfort. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know exactly if this $143 sit is worth your hard-earned cash or just a fancy disappointment. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, who is the Coverado car seat cover for? It's marketed toward car owners, whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or pickup, who want to protect their seats from spills, stains, pet hair, even those pesky harmful UV rays, all while adding a luxury vibe inside your vehicle. The premium Napa leather sounds like a dream come true for those tired of cheap, peeling vinyl seats or cracked synthetic covers. Designed via 3D modeling, these covers promise a custom-fit feel that maintains full seat functionality, airbags, seatbelt access, and headrest adjustments, without the usual compromise. Sounds perfect, right? Well, not quite. Let's talk fit and installation to start. The package includes 2 front seat covers with head pillows and 3 rear seat covers, calling themselves Universal Fit. However, in reality, universal often means universal disappointment. During my thorough testing, I found that the supposedly universal size was more like one size fits most if your seat is standard and you like fighting with strap adjustments. The covers were awkward to install, requiring close to an hour per seat, definitely not a quick snap-on-and-go deal. And despite the lofty 3D design claims, the fit was loose in several areas. Wrinkles and sagging popped up especially around the tighter contours of bucket seats. So, if you value neatness or immaculate aesthetics, you're already on a slippery slope like trying to wear skinny jeans 2 sizes too big. And here's a quick laugh. Why did the car seat cover break up with the owner? Because it just didn't fit. Seriously though, this is the kind of frustration many will face. But if you stick with me, I'll explain later how this can be partially mitigated. Moving to material quality. Napa leather is the shining star of the Coverado's marketing, touted as luxurious, soft, waterproof, breathable, and resistant to fading. In theory, this should make it a durable, comfortable choice for daily drivers and pet owners alike. Yet, after a few weeks of use and exposing it to sunlight, the leather started showing minor cracks and stiffness around the stitching. It's ironic for a product claiming made to last. But like those fake friends at a party, this leather's charm began to show cracks, not just in look but in texture. It's waterproof until your dog jumps in with muddy paws. Then you realize it isn't exactly spill-proof in real life because the seams soak up moisture. That's a problem if you have kids, pets, or spill-prone passengers. Speaking of pets, the Coverado also claims to resist pet hair and be easy to clean. However, the faux luxury finish somewhat backfired here. Pet hair clings more stubbornly to the leather surface than on fabric covers, making cleanup a bit of a chore. A quick vacuum doesn't always cut it. It's like your car's interior got a clinging ex who refuses to let go. But don't lose hope just yet. I'll reveal a few hacks you can use to make pet hair management easier later in this review. Now, let's cover protection and function. The Coverado is engineered to maintain seat features like airbags and adjustments, which is a relief because many cheaper seat covers unfortunately block vital safety functions. This means you don't have to sacrifice safety for style. The separate headrest covers are a thoughtful touch, allowing for headrest adjustments without removing the entire cover. But here's the twist. While functionality is intact, the material's lack of stretchiness means it limits some of the seat's natural movement and comfort, especially when shifting your driving posture. That can make longer drives less comfortable than you'd expect from a luxury claim. Time for one more joke. Why did the Coverado car seat cover go to therapy? It felt too tight covering up its issues. But sincere cracks aside, let's not completely knock the product. there are solid positives. The aesthetic upgrade is undeniable. If you do manage to install these covers properly, the rich Nappa leather looks good, giving your car a classy, modern style that beats factory fabric seats any day. The choice of several colors lets you personalize your car interior, whether you want bold red or a subtle black. It's that define your ride option that most regular covers don't offer. Plus, the 12-month repair policy offers peace of mind if any defects appear during that time frame. And the 30-day Amazon Prime return policy is a safety net if you hate the covers after trying them. However, the price tag of $143.61 is where things get tricky. It's a middle to high-end price point that sets certain expectations. With the softness and durability issues I faced, I'd hesitate to call the Coverado a true investment piece. That said, some users with standard seats and less aggressive wear may find it a good compromise between style, protection, and cost. So who exactly should grab this? If you own a car with more regular seats, want a stylish leather look without paying absurdly for custom covers, and can handle a bit of installation hassle, this could work. But if you're aiming for professional custom-fit quality or an easy-to-install drop-in cover, look elsewhere. I'm going to rehook you here. Ever wonder if there's a workaround to make these seat covers behave better? Here's a quick tip. Use additional non-slip mats and stretchable hooks under the seat before installing Coverado covers to prevent slipping and wrinkling. It adds a layer of effort, but significantly improves fit and feel. Also, keep a lint roller handy for those pet hairs. Moistening the roller slightly helps pick up the stubborn fuzz. As we wrap up, remember that every product has its flaws, but for $143.61, you deserve transparency. The Coverado car seat cover has potential, beautiful design, premium materials, and built-in seat functionality. Yet, the universal fit promise feels stretched. The waterproof claim is partially true, and some durability concerns might frustrate long-term users. Like a pair of nice shoes that pinch just a bit, it looks amazing, but sometimes it hurts to wear. Here's one last punchline. Why don't seat covers ever get into arguments? Because they always cover their tracks. But seriously, if you're looking to redefine your ride with a splash of luxury, and don't mind a bit of hands-on installation effort, Coverado is worth considering. Otherwise, take a beat to check other options that might suit your specific vehicle type better. To get the best price and secure quick delivery on Amazon, check out the link in the description below. Remember, there's a 30-day return window if things don't work out, so trying out the Coverado risk-free is a win for you. Thanks for sticking around through this honest breakdown. Drive safe, stay stylish, and I'll catch you in the next review.